Hello guys, today we're going to unwrap this Garbage Pail Kids Chrome pack. But before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you'd be notified when new content comes out. Now what we have here is a revival of the old Cabbage Patch Kids parody from the 1980s, the Garbage Pail Kids, which showed kids with various forms of deformities or experiencing horrible situations in card form, but this time it is in chrome. So let's check it out.
So here are the cards. Oh, made of chrome. So the first one is Puzzled Paul. Oh, it's nice. Okay. And then you have Spiky Mikey. Okay, so we all know that the back of the card is supposed to form an image. And then you have, what's this? Max Axe. Okay. So it's made out of chrome. Nice looking cards. And then you have Mouth Fill. Okay. Nice looking cards. Ooh. So this is what you get.